Hey, you're outside with TheEZGZ. This is my old camper awning. It was torn all the way across, right up next to it where you could see the sunlight would be beating it to death. But rather than throw it away, we cut off the bad section, used a standard sewing machine, and sewed the edge. And this is the opposite side. We're going to make a little garage canopy for the sand buggy. And I wanted to show you guys this really cool tool. And yeah, why don't you do it, hon? Are you going to do it in a wave like we were talking?
Well, the measurement was here.
Okay.
I want it in the wave.
I want to put it in a wave. It doesn't have to be exact. Right. Nothing about this has to be exact. So we're punching a hole with it. And this is one of those gasket punches or leather punch, whatever you want to call it. Piece of wood. And now I have these grommets. This is something, I don't even know if it's available. This was probably in my father's stuff. And there's a male and a female grommet here. And you can see she's taken the raised edge and forcing it up through the bottom. Then she puts a flat capture washer on the top. And then you have this this little die. And the other side looks like this. It says Astrup Company number 2, the G Astrup Company. And this was a box of grommets, the Astrup Company, Cleveland, Ohio. I wonder if they're still in business. So that's what we're doing, is just going around and putting our grommets in. Now lazy hound dog's got to be in the picture every time. She is so lazy. Gosh, it's hot today. Yep. Last one right there. Then I'll show you when we got it tied up over the car. Hey, this is, this is a pretty good job being a camera operator.
Yeah.
We were kind of guessing on the first couple, and we decided to fold it over, and then we put it so it's the material's doubled, plus there's kind of a hem all the way around the edge. And of course I got that idea from looking at the store-bought Harbor Freight style. Here's a really old canvas, and they used some kind of a naugahyde. This has got to be 50 or 60 years old. That was in my dad's garage. This is one, you can still buy these canvas ones, and it looks just like what they use. They probably have a machine that does it, and I'm just guessing. And on these, they, I don't know if they glue this in there. Nope, not on this one. I've seen them sewed. These look like they're aluminum, but basically exact same principle. Erickson is the name of that one. There you go. Not saying this is brilliant or anything. I'm just saying if you're at a campground and somebody doesn't put their canopy in and it gets caught in the wind, throws it in a dumpster, there's always some uses for it. In this case I did my own and put some eyelets in it, and this way, once I get to a campsite and get everything set up, I would prefer not to sleep with my car in the living room, if you know what I mean. And one of these days I'll give you a tour of the inside here. That lady has spent all morning cleaning, and you can't really, it's probably too dark, But it's got a bathroom, a stove, and a fridge, and these fold down into tables or a bed, and you've got an overhead bed for storage and sleeping, whatever you want to do. And then the car, everything gets folded up like this. So yeah, once I get there, car stays out and we start piling junk there. So yeah, thanks for watching, thanks for subbing. TheEZGZ out.